Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Aiman Binazi and we are group 3. We present about the material requirement planning for Sharpener. My group member is Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Mazian, Johari Jimiko and Amirul Anwar bin Jamaluddin. I will, I will explain about the introduction of the MRP. Firstly, what is the material requirement planning? The meaning is a system for determining the amount of the material required to make or manufacture a product. The material requirement planning consists of three basic procedure, which is the first one is to take the inventory of the material on hand, and secondly, figure out which one is required, and lastly is production schedule. The order date and quantity of the material can be determined by material requirement planning. It also contains inventory-related information, and manufacturers employ the material need planning method to facilitate the expansion and wide availability of affordable material. Next, I will pass to my friend Mirul Anwar bin Jamaluddin to explain about methodology. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amirul Anwar bin Jamaluddin. Now I will continue with methodology part. As we can see on the screen, the product structure tree of the sharpener. There are three dependent demands in our product, which is the first one is body, second is blade, and the last one is screw. And the independent demand is the sharpener itself. In order to conduct this project, there are three basic procedures that we must include. The first one is observation. Observation and interview with operators and staff is the main factor in order to understand the production process at every level. Second is data collection. Data collection will then begin where data such as schedule receipt data, lead time, lot size, demand, truck capacity, and inventory data are required in MRP table. Lastly is MRP. After we collect the data, then we process using MRP. MRP is a method for planning and control production and a tool for manage inventory depend on higher item level. It is possible to get the raw material needed to complete the product in the future demand using MRP. The company can optimize the required inventory. MRP also planning consider time priority to calculate material requirement and schedule supply to meet a product's demand. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Johari Jimikov and I will be presenting our results and discussions. As the previous speaker has stated, we have three dependent demands, which are the body, blade, and screw. This results in the independent demands, which is the sharpener. According to the master schedule as you see on the screen, the total production for 1 week is 350 units, 150 units at day 4, and 200 units at day 7. The final assembly for the sharpener requires 1 week. Production of the dependent demand starts at day 3 and day 6, which is a requirement that all components have a 1-day lead time. For the body and screw production, we have a total of 100 safety stock, and for the blade production, we have a total of 50 units of safety stock. To reduce the risk of the item to be out of stock, at the body and screw production, the minimum order is set at 100 pieces, while the minimum order for the set is set at the blade production is a total of 50 units.
In conclusion, material requirement planning is an efficient way for manufacturing organizations to enhance their productivity. Material requirement planning continues to be an important aspect for manufacturing organization today. This is because It is integration with an ERP system. This strategy is applicable not only to manufacturing firm, but it also to others industry. MRP enable the producer in analyzing a variety of parameters in order to develop demand forecast. It is estimates inventory, schedule production, and guarantee that finished product arrive at the right place at the right minimum possible cost. In other words, it enables the company to identify the type, quality, and delivery of certain product in order to meet the expectation of the customer. Thank you.